1966 Chevrolet Impala SS two-door hardtop at Unique Specialty and Classics. Yes, real deal SS. Be able to tell on this one by the trim on the cowl tag and then also the VIN. And if you want to check out the still pictures to see that VIN plate and cowl tag, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille, fascia, headlight surrounds. Here's the chrome has been polished. Looks good. This is a paint code R-R, so originally a Regal red car top to bottom. So still looking very similar to how this would have been produced back in 1966. Another thing to remember, this car is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And that phone number you can reach us at, 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally style wheels, center cap, beauty rings, Cooper Cobra radials. And let's take a look down the side of this beauty. Black vinyl interior, trim code of 813, which would be black vinyl SS interior, bucket seats, and of course center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that here in just a bit. Remember, we also have an open door policy if you'd like to have somebody come and take a peek at this car for you. Can't make it yourself, feel free to. We also can assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, we do consider trades. Take a look at the chrome in the rear of this car. Also has a nice shine to it. UniqueClassicCars.com website where you can see over 100 pictures of this car online. Take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. You keep watching this video, we're going to fire it up, let you hear it run. There'll be a driving video at the end. I'll let you see how it goes down the road. Paint has a nice shine to it. Is there an imperfection here or there in it? Yeah, you'll find something, but overall, you can see how good this car looks. All right. Rear seats, free of rips, tears, holes. Door panels look good. Be able to see pictures underneath the floor mats and with the still pictures. Since I'm going to get in and out of it here starting it, I'm going to make sure that those are in there. So as you can see, front vinyl seats look good up here also. How about the headliner? Headliner looking good. All right. Now we did have a little aftermarket radio. Fired up there a second. Didn't play around with the radio. I'll let this warm up a little bit. It was a cold start. Radio working. Take a look at the rest of the dash. This is a great idle to it. Wow. Whoops. And I goose it and it kills. Let's give it a little gas. Let's do that again, DT. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Now there is an aftermarket stereo here that is in working order. There's also a couple aftermarket gauges here. Oh yeah, oil pressure. Looks like temp. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect to be anything on that temp gauge. Look at the rest of the dash. wipers do work, by the way. Door closes nicely. Just listen to this thing from behind. And again, 350 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 350 hydromatic transmission. So turbo hydromatic 350 tranny automatic and a 350 V8 small block underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, and let's check out some more stuff under the hood. Speaking of under the hood, there's the underside. Nice and tidy. Here it is. And we have some chrome displayed on there with a valve cover and air cleaner cover. Some pulleys and whatnot, water pump. Smooth runner. Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock carb. Mentioned HEI ignition back there, you can see it. Aluminum radiator. Two electric fans. You can see here's your cowl tag or data tag. Will be a close-up picture of that, and with the still pictures as well as the VIN. Battery disconnect over here. Looks like it's ready to turn key and go. Fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, and it's a real deal super sport. 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS, two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Consult with your sales associate. Might be extendable out to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Impala, red with a black interior. Aftermarket radio works well. It's like a retro sound style radio. Our blinker indicators are working. Good acceleration, excellent exhaust sound. Getting a little bit of wind noise around the window. It is windy here in Minnesota today. Wipers work. This car goes nice and straight down the road. Smooth ride. Good handling. We have an oil pressure gauge at 50 down here. Temperature about 165. Might still be warming up. Clock. On the clock, the second hand is counting. And the fuel gauge is reading 3/4 of a tank. 76,255 miles on the odometer wheel. This is a strong runner. Let's accelerate one more time. Really good running Chevrolet Impala. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.